Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. The videos I will use to teach you how to solve the system equation. There we have x plus y plus z is equal to 7 and x squared plus y squared plus z squared is equal to 21 and 8 multiplied z is equal to y squared. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. And now we go to the solution together. First, we have x plus y plus z is equal to 7. 8 plus y plus z is equal to 7. And then I change y to the right hand side. So I get 8 plus z equal 7 minus y. And then I raise both sides to square. So I get 8 plus z all squares equal 7 minus y all square. And this I get 8 squares plus 2/8z plus z square equal 7 minus y all square. And then I change to 8z to the right hand side and I get 8 square plus z squared equal 7 minus y all squares minus 2/8z. And then we know that x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal 21 by x squared plus y squared plus z squared equal 21. And then I change y squared to the right hand side, so I get x squared plus z squared equal 21 minus y squared. And then I replace x squared plus z squared by 21 minus y squared. So we get 21 minus y squared equals 7 minus y all square minus 2/8z. And then we see this xz equal y squared. So I replace xz by y squared. So I get 21 minus y squared equal 7 minus y all squares minus 2y squared. And this we use the root a minus b all square, we get a square minus 2ab plus b square. So I get 21 minus y squared equals 49 minus 14y and plus y squared minus 2y squared. And this minus y squared is simply with 2y squared and y squared. And then I change 14y to the left hand side and 21 to the right hand side. So I get 14y equal 49 minus 21. And I divide both sides of this equation with 14 and I get y equal 28 divided by 14 and equal 2. So we get y equal to, and now we must find the values of 8z. And now we get y equal to, so then I replace y by 2 in this equation and in this equation. So I get 8 plus z equals 7 minus y, and we get 5. And xz equals this y square, so we get 2 square and equal 4. And then from this, and we have 8 plus z equal 5, and 8 multiplied z is equal 4. So we get 8 plus z equal 5. I can write it equal 4 plus 1. And 8 multiplied z equal 4. I can write it 4 multiplied 1. So that we get 8 equals 4 and z equal 1, or 8 equal 1 and z equal 4. Thus 8 equal 4, y equal 2, and z equal 1, or 8 equal 1, y equal 2, and z equal 4 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.